All right, we have a simple mixed operations problem today, but this one continues to throw some people off. It's 8 minus 8 times 8 plus 1. All right, so if you'd like to pause the video and come back, we'll go over the explanation for this. Most people get it right, but there's a few people who get it wrong for one particular reason. All right, hopefully you did pause the video or you didn't need to. You knew the answer right off the bat, but if you know your order of operations, you realize that multiplication has precedence over addition and subtraction. So the first step here in this problem is the 8 times 8. Well, 8 times 8 is 64. Keep in mind there's 8 minus 8 times 8, right? So it's 8 minus 64 plus 1 equals what? Well, if I didn't have my web camera up here, you would see the answer off to the side. We know that 8 minus 64 is negative 56. Negative 56 plus 1 is negative 55. All right, and I can write that out if I want to. The answer is minus, well, I can't write that very well, can I? Nope, it's minus 55. That is the answer. All right. Now, a lot of people are shaking their head at me and saying, no, wait a minute. Addition comes before subtraction. The answer is minus 57. No, it's not negative 57. Negative 57 is wrong, okay? And I'm going to explain why. All right. A lot of people do not understand what PEMDAS and BODMAS mean. PEMDAS and BODMAS are not magical six-step checklists. They're not mythical chance. Okay, a lot of people think there's some kind of blind, magical six-step checklist because they see an A before the S. And a lot of people think that PEMDAS and BODMAS give you different answers when they do not. They give you the same answer because the M and the D, the order of the M and the D doesn't matter because multiplication and division have equal precedence. In the same way, addition and subtraction have equal precedence. Addition is not forced. The only way you get negative 57 is if you have parentheses around the 64 plus 1. How on earth do you get this negative sign to have any impact on the plus 1? That is I mean, it really comes down to where people who get negative 57 really do not understand basic addition and subtraction. All right, that's really the problem. The minus sign operator has no impact on the plus 1. Negative 57 as an answer shows a complete lack of knowledge of how mathematical operators work on adjacent numbers only without parentheses. When someone looks at this, how do you get negative 57? This negative sign has no effect here. But again, people think, for some reason, they think, well, you've got to do this addition here before you subtract here. That's not true. You need parentheses around this 64 plus 1 to get that answer. So it's always been puzzling. I never quite understood why people do it, but I've seen so many people come up with that answer. It's just because they memorized the A before S and they're forcing it. So again, pretty simple answer. Hopefully most of you got this one right. If this has helped you out in any way, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. See you in the next video.